When you eat an egg, it begins a powerful journey inside your body. As the egg enters the stomach, digestion starts breaking it down into essential nutrients. These nutrients move into the intestines, where proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats are absorbed into the bloodstream. Now watch as energy spreads through the body. Egg protein helps repair muscles and reduce tiredness. Vitamin B12 supports energy production, helping fight weakness and fatigue. Inside the brain, choline from the egg activates neurons and improves focus and memory. In the eyes, lutein and zeaxanthin protect vision and support eye health. In the bones, vitamin D and minerals help improve strength and density. As nutrients flow through the blood, the whole body begins to glow with balanced energy. Unlike sugary foods, egg provides slow, long-lasting energy without sudden crashes. Egg supports the gut, fuels the muscles, sharpens the mind, strengthens bones, and boosts overall vitality. A simple egg can make a powerful difference inside your body.